Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hi guys, today I'm back again. This is my very first video on this channel again, because I was getting a bunch of new channels, but I'm going to do a Leapfrog phonics
Stop
comparison.
recording. Button.
And this is going to include the 2002 model, the 2009 model, the 2014 model, and the tax phonics.
Stop recording.
I'm pretty sure I
Button.
might call this video phonics comparison, or I might call it phonics comparison without 2007. Do the 2007 one very soon.
Stop recording.
But
Button.
other than that, let's get started with the toy. So here is my 2002 one. In 2002, that's when they first came out with this. Didn't really have, you know, like the
Stop
quality
recording.
was okay on it,
Button.
and then mine, the adders get lower, it gets more and more distorted. But the letters are big. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But I might try to make the toy louder on camera.
Stop recording. Button.
I put it close to the microphone, obviously. But the test modes are exactly the same. This is a letter all I got from.
Stop recording. Button.
But you know the letters are the same as for the woodworm and this. And then these little dots
Stop
on the
recording.
bottom.
Button.
Like all of them have. But now this one, it has it only has that one song. I might have to do it with different letters.
Stop recording.
Push it
Button.
again.
Stop recording. Button.
Gotta remember the quote. But it has it only covers the same song.
Stop recording. Button.
I think Official Price had a song like that. That's better. It has the ABC song. I used to love doing that when I was little.
Stop recording. Button.
But I'll let you do test mode, the ABC. Yeah, and then it basically just sings the same song that it was showing you the test mode.
Stop recording. Button.
I actually have, you know, two of these. I'm just looking for my other one. But these are the 2009 versions. I actually have two, because one of them I got when I was over, and the other one I got
Stop recording. Button.
a while back. And then when you put it only does
P says P says
Stop recording. Button.
it only has that one ditty. Oh. And they changed the startup sounds. Here's the one for the 2002 one. It's supposed to be louder than that, but
Stop recording.
batteries are getting
Button.
kind of low. Which is really surprising. Because that's 2009.
Stop
And
recording.
then here's my other
Button.
2009 one. Actually, I don't have it. I'm going to go get it real quick. Yeah, but they both do the same thing. And it only has the ABC song.
Stop recording. Button. Stop recording.
They still have
Button.
the little grooves, like on all of them. And then, now we're moving on to 2014. If I can even get there. Where did I put it? Oh yeah. I know where I put my 2014 phonics. Not on the fridge. I took it
Bottom of stop recording.
somewhere.
Button.
And I don't remember. Twitter was that busy. I didn't want to. Wait, just a second, guys. Get the 2014 one. Even quieter, surprisingly. That's really weird. Batteries are good on this one. And
Stop recording. Button.
and then it only has two ditties. And then in 2007 they started using small letters.
Pete. Pete says. Pete says.
Camera. Stop recording.
Every
Button.
letter makes a sound. Pete says.
Well, I need to get checked out. Just getting so lazy. And then the no letter sound changed.
Stop recording. Button.
And then it has the ABC song. Oh yeah, that is the might get saved with the
Stop.
test modes.
Stop recording. Button.
But and then you put how you enter test mode on all these
Stop recording.
is you need to
Button.
hold down the ABC button and then the letter compartment when there's no letter in there. And then you turn it on. You get that.
Stop
The
recording.
2009 one
Button.
does the exact same thing. Then you push in the. I'm just trying to think of a clever thing to say. Then it has a little static.
Stop recording. Button.
You push that,
A, B, C, D, E, F.
make it sound.
Stop recording.
Might be planning on
Button.
making videos soon. I just feel really lazy. Then once you get to that part, you can
Stop
say something
recording. Button.
like if you push in the letter come out when there's no letter in there, like it can
Stop recording.
beep.
Button.
And then like you can
Stop recording.
make it beep.
Button.
And the 2009 one has the exact same static. Oh, I forgot the other
Stop
part where it did all the
recording.
things.
Button.
And every letter makes a sound. A, B,
Stop recording.
C,
Button.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, U,
Stop recording.
V,
Button.
W, X, Y, Z, A, B, D, E, G, I, J, K, U, M, N, A, Q,
Stop recording.
I'd hate for this to be in two parts.
says, T, Z.
Stop recording. Button.
Count with me. Count with me. Count with me. Count with me. 1,
No, I'm weird.
2,
Uh,
3,
Just
4,
not a baby showing these toys.
Stop recording.
7,
Button.
8,
Besides, babies
Nine.
can't make YouTube videos anyways.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Maybe highest tech
Nine.
tips with Raytheon.
10,
Making videos about you.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And every
And then the 2009 for, and then it,
Stop recording.
just, cycles.
Button.
And then how you stop it is you push the ABC button again. And then like the 2009 one is the exact same except for it has the numbered, sounds are gone.
Stop recording. Button.
and it has a little, it has this sound, and then it goes, and then it makes a little like
Stop
clicking
recording.
noise, and then it
Button.
goes back to normal. Just demonstrate it. The exact same noise. Then they instead of hearing the beep when you
Stop
push the button,
recording. Button.
they replaced it with.
L P
Then when you push the dots,
A B C D L F.
it says yeah, and then you can just push it.
And every letter makes a sound. A
Stop
B
recording.
C
Button.
D E F G H
Might make a video on how to play YouTube videos,
L
and I
M N
might use something like Jackson Rocket VSK
Q
used.
R
Like instead of having not for young children, I would have not for people that prefer people that are good fixers. Just like you guys programmed YouTube to like that you had to be a good fixer and make Teddy videos. But I guess I'm not a good fixer,
Stop recording.
and I want to make Teddy videos. I'll have to stay right here for this thing.
T Z
But the number ditties are gone.
T A and
The letters stick to each other for all the versions.
C D E F G H
It's my
I
other,
J
my other dog has
L
one.
M N O P Q R S F T U V I W X Y
Here's low volume.
Z.
Stop recording. Button.
Then it, just puts the ticking sound that you can't hear. But instead of stopping like it normally does, it will just like, you can make it beep. Or still no volume, that's it. And then in 2014, they changed the
Stop recording.
startup sound.
Button.
It's, more similar to the one you would hear on the number 11 oven. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something. Uh-oh.
Stop recording. Button.
This is one of the smaller letters, and it's in the pond. How you get it to do this is you line it up with the little things. You line it up, and then it makes, and then this is the one thing that
Every letter makes a sound.
hard to tell, like this video is maybe a little inappropriate for YouTube.
Stop recording.
They don't even
Button.
know like what letters go to which phonics, but I do have multiple of them.
Stop recording. Button.
Here's the ABC song. Here's the low volume for this one. That's funny, I know.
Stop recording. Button.
Let's make it a bit louder. Then, if you push in the dots, thanks to the number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Stop recording. Button.
Then I just know I have to show everything on here. But the text mode has changed. It's a lot longer than, and this is a number 11
Stop
sound.
recording.
I
Button.
think they just came out with this, because the number 11 oven came out in 2014. I think they had it for this one, and then here's another sound. It was loud as it. Loud as it can go. As quiet as it can go. Now that's kind of annoying.
Stop recording.
And it has.
Button.
And then, instead of, stopping, and then it goes to the. You can finish it. You can see the C button again.
Hey, 7,
And then it goes into this little thing.
1.
Or you can push the letter compartment. And then it, it goes into a wait thing.
Stop
Or if you
recording.
touch it,
Button.
it doesn't do anything for a while. And then when it makes that beep, it goes.
1.
Then when you push the X, instead of hearing A, B, C, D, E, F, you hear
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and then you can push in the letter compartment. Or you can, put in.
Stop recording. Button.
And then you can push the button again. Oh, these sleep phonics are getting
Stop
in the way.
recording. Button. Stop recording. Button.
Hey, Avenue. We're cruising down the avenue.
And then it
B,
goes to one of the little
backpack.
things it says.
Don't forget your backpack. C,
And it says some
how many
numbers.
cars do you see? 1,
Stop
2,
recording.
For some
3.
reason.
D, driver. The driver steers the
It's going to
bus.
show everything.
E, engine. This bus has a noisy engine. F, far. We're headed somewhere far, far away.
Then they
G, green.
Stop recording.
Green light.
Button.
Let's get going. H, horn. Honk the horn. I, in. Bumpy road ahead. Everyone stay in your seat. J, jam. Traffic jam. So many cars. K, key. The driver turns the key to start the bus. L, light.
Stop recording.
Yellow light.
Button.
Better slow down. M, motor. Vroom, vroom. My bus has a loud motor. N, noisy.
And then it, goes through the whole alphabet, but
Everyone
it
get on
cuts
the
out.
bus.
This bus has a noisy engine.
Passengers. Are the passengers ready to go? Q, quick. Hop on quick. We're running late. R, red light. Stop the bus. S, sit.
Stop recording.
I love to
Button.
sit right next to the window. T,
In 2007 test mode is the same
sharp
for the
turn
doghouse.
ahead.
And maybe possibly the pond too.
We are driving
Maybe
up
it's
a
one of
hill.
those. I think this is the only
Man, I
like
see a
for phonics that
big
had
man
programming
driving
errors.
by. W,
The school
window.
bus.
I love to sit
By the way,
right
the
by
pond
the
is shaped
window.
like a, the 2002
The first
version is
letter
shaped like
is
a pond.
X-ray fish. We
It's
have
so
a
inappropriate for
X-ray fish
YouTube
in
because
school.
it don't even make that much sense for what I say.
Zoo.
Stop
We're
recording.
driving to the
Button.
zoo. Z, 1. Count with
What
me.
does it say?
2,
Z
4,
and
3,
Z.
5, 4, 6,
Because it was
5,
a
7,
avenue.
8,
We're cruising down the avenue.
9,
B.
8,
Backpack. Don't forget your backpack. And then it keeps going. And then when it was a Y, yellow light. Better slow down. Z, zoo. We're driving to the zoo. Z. It said Z and Z. And then it goes to the things. The number Z used is cut short. It's like then plays parts by
Stop
parts of
recording.
it.
Button.
Oh, you listen. Then
Every letter makes a sound. Says,
Stop recording. Button.
I wonder what it would be like if the laughing little puppy like with on the little people show was like A says ah and A says ah. Push the lighter, hear the sound, but A says ah. And then it just goes to the thing.
Stop recording.
You can't make it
Button.
continuously beep like you can in the doghouse. There's just phonics. That's the one that's in the doghouse shape. And then let me see if I can find them. But here's where toys on decided to
Stop recording.
toys started
Button.
to get. This one's gonna be really loud because of course toys. Oh, where did they go? But these actually came with photo frame tiles. Like,
Mama, it's funny.
I have Mom here right now. It comes with best.
Stop
It comes
recording.
with best mom in the
Button.
world, best dad in the world. Guess in that order. And it just says me. It just says me, and it doesn't have. It has a heart around it. Like, I just know all this because my dad.
Stop recording. YouTube. Back. Button.
I just know all this because like my parents told me, and like the phrases
Stop recording.
Button. Match up with the photo from tiles. So with me, it would say cutie pie. So sweet. Oh, I can do anything.
Put a letter tile into the
And then
apple.
for Mom, and then it.
Put a letter
Here's
tile
love for this
into
one.
the apple. Put a letter tile.
Another thing I forgot to mention is instead of hearing,
Stop recording.
instead of letting
Button.
kids be independent with this, and figure it out on their own, here's how it normally. Here's how the 2014 one starts up, and then here's how
Stop recording.
this one
Button.
starts up.
Put a letter tile into the apple.
It actually tells you to. I wonder why it couldn't say put a letter or photo frame tile into the apple, because that would be more better, because then kids could not like anything bad would happen if you put a photo frame in
Stop
there.
recording.
But then for
Button.
the dad, it says Rockstar Daddy, and then it has the green guitar sound, and then it would have like dads are super duper,
Into the apple.
and then it will say it 2 or 3 times, and then if the kids don't get it by that point, it starts to be independent, and have them figure it out. And then here's what it says for Mom.
Mama, it's funny.
This is as loud as I can make it go.
Love you. Super sweet, Mama.
Toys I can. I don't know, but and then I can. And here's where I can go.
Mama, it's funny. Super sweet, Mama.
And then here's the test mode. It doesn't really make much sense, but there's actually 2 test modes. And then they also added a
Stop recording.
level switch.
Button.
So when you put it this one actually is the coolest one so far. There's not the coolest and the newest. I think this is my hardest one too.
Put a letter tile into the apple.
And then
P.
it gets with P. It says
Stop
P.
recording.
This is a level
Button.
switch. You can't push the letter 2.
P. P. Penguin. Perfectly polite penguin. Hello. Nice to meet you. P. P says. P says. Every letter makes a sound. P says.
I wonder why. I think Leapfrog is,
Stop recording.
a
Button.
much more better company compared to Fisher Price, because some other toys some of Fisher Price's toys always end up, saying stuff they're not supposed to say. But here's what this one says.
Put a letter tile
Stop
into the
recording.
The
apple.
letters have
Button.
changed. The letter ditties. This one's,
P. P.
when these get on the batteries, they pitch bend a little bit,
Says.
and they turn off and on.
Every
Stop
letter
recording.
makes a sound.
Button.
P says. P. Passengers. Are the passengers ready to go?
Running low on things to talk about.
Stop recording. Button.
I'm surprised how low I let it get. And then You know, the other one had the, I'll let you see the full Wheels on the Bus song, but to show you guys, I already know it, like,
Stop recording.
but by learning,
button.
by watching YouTube videos, I learned that I need to, like, you know, what the full song.
The wheels on the bus go.
With the other, if you were a Fridge Phonics expert
Stop
like me,
recording.
and
Button.
like, you wanted to, you know, talk to, like, if you push the button more than once, it doesn't, like, cycle through, like, different songs. You just, you know, it pushes it, and then it just, you know, stays the same. But a way to get it to interrupt it is you push the lighter compartment, whether there's a lighter in there or not. And the photo file I like with the thing.
Stop
Wait,
recording.
it's a
Button.
number. I'm not showing some hidden things that Leapfrog didn't show.
2 counts with
Mom is 2,
1, 2.
and then Dad I think is 5, and then there was 3, 5, and 2. And the 2009 one doesn't do anything when you put it in. Like, my other one became defective and didn't recognize the letters. This is a P. Doesn't even know what it is. And then they kept the same ABC song on for both of these. But then instead of, that would be, you know, funny if they kept
Stop
the Wheels on the
recording.
Bus song
Button.
for these. It was like, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. I thought of that, like that would be funny if they kept that for the Tad's Fridge Phonics. I thought of a, you know, a little, again, a silly version of the Wheels on the Bus song
Stop
that
recording.
nobody's ever done
Button.
before. Like, I've just never sing it for you guys, but and it contains all the versions of the Fridge Phonics too. So you're not getting off of topic. And here's how it goes. The wheels on the pond go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the pond go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the sun go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the sun
Stop
go
recording.
round and
Button.
round, all through the town. The wheels on the house go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the house go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round,
Stop
all
recording.
through the
Button.
town. The wheels on the apple go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the apple go round and round, all through the town. I mean, an apple doesn't even have wheels. Neither does some houses do. Neither does the sun, and neither does the pond. I thought it was pretty silly, but it has the ABC song, like for the one,
Stop
for
recording.
the newer one. It
Button.
has the same version as this for the school bus, but it also has.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Stop recording.
U, V,
Button.
W, X, Y, and Z, M, N, O, P.
I probably interrupted the song as I pushed a little button. It also has a number song.
1,
What?
2, 3, 4,
Stop recording. Button.
6. 1, 2. Put a letter tile into the apple. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Knew it was gonna do that.
1,
Stop recording. Button.
That she hasn't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It, you know, it would count to 10. I'll just show you.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Stop recording. Button.
6, 7, 8.
Kind of get it to do it for a long time.
Stop recording. Button.
3, 4,
Pretty sure you're gonna get this thing stuck in your head if this thing doesn't cooperate.
7, 8, 9, 10.
It would count to 10 and then 2002 one, and if there was a number in there, it would count like as high as the number was. And the photo from house don't actually do anything in the 2002 one. You can't even line them up. Maybe you can. But, and then for the Apple, I'm gonna put this.
My favorite letters are T.
Stop recording. Button.
I love letters.
And you know, Tad would say 3 letters, and then he would say that he loves letters. Keep forgetting a bunch of things. It has 2 modes. It has the first.
Stop
It
recording.
has the test mode,
Button.
and there's another test mode that I call the Morse code mode, because it makes Morse code sounds. If you put it on level 1, and then you hold down the buttons, the letter come out, and then the ABC button, you get that sound. It's really similar to the one you hear on the radio touch. You can just, you can just discover stuff and put stuff around, and then like.
Put a letter tile into the apple. Put a letter tile into the apple.
And then like, if you just push it, it'll just go, put a letter tile into the apple. Put a letter tile into the apple.
Stop recording. Button.
I think it's full on your own. But here's the other test mode. I got to watch the show. And then it has a little noise instead of hearing, like you do on the school bus, you hear this. That's a number 11 oven sound. And you can, I don't know what toy that came from, but I think they might don't have all the Leapfrog toys.
B, C, D, E, F.
You push the button and then like.
Stop recording. Button. Button. Camera chooser.
Doesn't really make much sense.
Bananas! Beautiful bunches of bananas! Bravo!
Stop recording. Stop recording. Button.
Whoa, cutie pie. Daddy is funny. Dads are super duper. Dancing dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
See, it's saying a bunch of stuff at once.
Excited elephants. Extra special X-ray fish. Friends. Funny friends. Groovy green guitar. Guitar. Hello.
All these are rapid fire, I think.
Hip hop hippo. Hippo. I can do anything.
Stop recording.
Most of my toys are rapid fire.
Igloo is the first letter in X-ray fish. Jelly, jumping, jiggly jelly. Kangaroo, kind-hearted, klutzy kangaroo. Lollipop. Love you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Luscious lemon lollipop. Mama is funny. Munch. Musical munch.
Stop recording.
Never-ending
Button.
noodles. Noodles. Octopus. Outstanding octopus. P.U. Penguin. Perfectly polite penguin. Press a
Stop
letter
recording.
tile into the
Button.
apple. Put a letter tile into the apple. Queen. Quiet queen. Shh. Raspberry. Red raspberry. Rockstar daddy. Skunk.
Stop recording. Button.
So sweet. Super stinky skunk. Super sweet mama. Tame tiger. Tiger. Umbrella. Up umbrella. Valuable violin. Violin. Wild
Stop
wolf.
recording.
Wolf.
Button.
Yogurt. Yummy yogurt. Zebra. Zippy zebra. I love letters.
And it beeps, and then you can push it again. The ABC right now, the little compartment.
Put a letter tile into the apple.
And then it, goes back to normal.
Stop recording.
But
Button.
sorry that you can't always see anything, but that's basically all the Fudge Phonics is, except for the 2007 version. I'll call this Fudge Phonics comparison without 2007. So bye, guys.